When someone betrays a Gemini, they don't just break your trust. They try to break your frequency. But betrayal doesn't destroy you, Gemini. It activates you. Let's decode the 5 psychological tricks that make your mind not only survive betrayal, but transform through it. Geminis process betrayal in 2 speeds: fast intellectually, slow emotionally. Your mind instantly analyzes what happened, every word, every micro detail, but your heart? It replays the betrayal on loop. The trick is realizing your mind isn't overthinking, it's translating pain into pattern recognition. That's your first gift, turning heartbreak into data. Ask yourself, what pattern did this betrayal reveal that I refuse to see? When Geminis go silent after betrayal, people assume they're cold. Wrong. You're reprogramming. You detach not to escape emotion, but to reclaim emotional sovereignty. You analyze the betrayal as if it happened to someone else, and that's your Mercury gift, cognitive distance. This trick lets you process without drowning. You don't suppress, you sort. Don't chase closure. Chase clarity. Betrayal teaches you who you mirror too much. As an air sign, you unconsciously adapt, speak their tone, feel their feelings. And when that person betrays you, it's like losing part of yourself. The trick? Reclaim your reflection. Ask, which version of me did I lose in them? Then rebuild it, amplified. Sound cue. Quiet reverb echo of mirror breaking as reflection reforms. Gemini's real power is narrative control. Betrayal feeds on story, on what they did and why you weren't enough. Reframe it. Don't ask, why did they hurt me? Ask, what truth did this reveal that sets me free? Betrayal isn't rejection. It's redirection from misaligned energy. Every time you rewrite your inner script, your frequency shifts, and that's when karmic release begins. Most signs break in betrayal because they live in one emotional lane. You, Gemini, have 2. One feels, one observes. The trick is not to fight that duality, but to use it. Let one side grieve. Let the other side narrate. That internal dialogue becomes your bridge back to power. You're not being fake. You're being functional. Tell your pain, I hear you, but I don't live here anymore. Every betrayal upgrades your communication algorithm. You learn sharper boundaries, faster pattern detection, and deeper empathy, not because you trust less, but because you listen more intelligently. Your sole lesson as a Gemini isn't to avoid betrayal, it's to evolve through it faster than anyone else. Mercury doesn't hold grudges, it holds knowledge. And that's your secret weapon. Gemini, your mind isn't fragile, it's fractal. Every betrayal just adds another dimension of wisdom to your story. Which of these tricks did you need most today? Reflection, reframe, or transmutation? Comment below and let's decode this together. Then watch the next video. Gemini Emotional Intelligence, the power of silence. It's your next level of mental mastery.